Hi, my name is Mary, and I want to tell you what joy I found after visiting Dr. Pearl. I was in a place where I couldn't walk. I couldn't do the dishwasher. I couldn't do anything. My family hated me. And at the end of my rope, I found Dr. Pearl, and my life changed. I can do absolutely everything. Besides going on the 2-hour hikes, I can do the dishwasher. I can go down and do the laundry, and I don't have that look on my face of agony. I never thought it was possible for me to come through what I was dealing with, and I have. To me, it is my miracle, because I know at this point I probably wouldn't be here. I couldn't move. Um,
What part of your body was it, Mary?
my hip bursitis
Oh,
and arthritis in the bottom of my spine. I couldn't lean over. I couldn't pick up my grandchildren. It hurt to pat my dog. Everything hurt with this arthritis. And we went through a couple of different procedures, but I finally ended up with Dr. Pearl. And the first thing she did was save me. And I knew there was hope. And you have to go through the steroid or the other procedures before you can do the PRP to make sure it's going to work. And I'm 6 months now pain free, completely pain free. And I would have paid for an hour pain free. Now I'm 6 months pain free.
great. Now you said you had a PRP. Do you remember what that is?
Platelet rich replacement.
Platelet rich plasma. Great.
Platelet rich plasma, yeah.
And did you have it in one hip or both hips?
Both hips.
Okay.
Both hips. And I walked out of there pain free. I was amazed, and it's been that way since. If I overdo, I'll get a flare up, but I just use that as my book reading afternoon, and then I'm fine again.